So for this cookie, I'm going to flood it in white. So I'm going to start with that, and I will come through. And once I've got that done, then I'm going to come through with some green, and I'm going to do some dots. And I did fairly large dots. And then I'm just going to take I'm actually going to grab a toothpick for this, just because it's a little bit thinner. And I'm going to drag these all the way around, just like so. And then I can take, and I can do that again if I'd like. I can go kind of in between here with some smaller ones and drag that the opposite way, just to give it kind of more of a wreath look. So, and then fill in wherever I feel like it needs a little more green, just like so. A little too much white on there. Let's come through and clean any of that up. And then you can come through and just take a little tiny bit off, and you can just kind of come through and put some little red dots here and there. And then you just have a really cute little abstract wreath. So that's fun. So I'll move that one out of the way and bring over another one. And then you can go and flood this one in green. I'm not going to go as thick on this one because I'm going to put a little sugar layon in the middle. So we've got green here, and I'm going to put a little reindeer. So for this, you want to really make sure that you, kind of center this before you just drop it down. And then you can come back through with red, and then take your toothpick, and then you have a cute little reindeer. And that's it for that. Since it's Rudolph, we could also give it a little shine here. And then there you have just a really cute little cookie with a little reindeer embellishment. So I have my cookie here flooded with some white, and I'm going to come back through with my green, and I'm going to do some pretty large green dots, just like so. And then I'm going to take my scriber, and I'm just going to come through here, and I've got a cute little wreath going on here. And then I'm going to come back through, and I'll make sure this is somewhat round, and then I'll just come through and do some random little dots. And then you have a cute little wreath. That's it.